Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now, clear a small area, then clean with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth so the sticker bonds. Once dry, use a ruler or tape as a guide. This prevents crooked placement. Peel the backing partially, about 1/4 to expose an edge. Align that edge carefully, press down, and slowly remove the rest while smoothing. You do this to avoid air pockets and misalignment. Make sure to keep fingers off the adhesive and move with steady, confident motions. Now you focus on smoothing and protection. Once the sticker is down, press from the center outward with a soft squeegee or old credit card to force out air. Work slowly to avoid stretching. If you want durability, layer a clear vinyl sticker or apply a thin laminate. This reduces wear and resists oils. For designs that overlap an edge, trim excess with a sharp precision blade while the lid is supported. This gives a clean finish and prevents peeling later. Finish by allowing the adhesive to cure for 24 to 48 hours. During this time, avoid heavy handling or slamming the lid. Make sure to clean around the sticker edges with a cotton swab and a bit of alcohol if dust collects. If a corner lifts, apply gentle heat from a hairdryer on low, press down, and hold until it cools. This reactivates adhesive. If bubbling persists, lift a corner slowly, re-smooth, or replace the sticker. That one trick solves most problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.